So first thing, we must think bagus defense and cepat offensive transition.
Kita harus pikir begini sekarang, oke? Bertahan dengan sangat bagus, dengan sangat solid, dan fokus untuk transisi menyerang.
Now, it's important.
Dan di tribun selatan, sabar dulu ya. Sesama Persikmania, tetap rukun. Hey.
Sama-sama berdoa, mudah-mudahan kesabaran kita diberkati dan mendapatkan hasil yang terbaik. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Allahumma inna nas'aluka salamatan fid din wa 'afiyatan fil jasad wa ziyadatan fil 'ilmi wa barakatan fil rizq. Allahumma ya hayyu ya qayyum. Allahumma hamid 'alaina sabran wa sabbit aqdamana waj'alna minal faizin. Ya arhamar rahimin irhamna. Ya arhamar rahimin irhamna. Ya arhamar rahimin irhamna. Walhamdulillahi rabbil alamin.
116 and yesterday make official training much better. We're going to try to put the players that we think are better players with speed, aggressive, and as you say,
Begitu aja, Bang. Terima kasih kepada Oke, kamera on 3, 2, 1.
Selamat dan Pak Salman, kamu berhasil meraih sebagai the best young player of the month. Semoga kamu
kita bagus, mulai fokus dan bagus di pemanasan.
it's totally different if we go lazy because it's hot. It's going to be hot for the two teams.
Pasti beda kalau kalian eksekusi pemanasan kalian dengan tidak bagus, karena cuaca panas ini untuk kedua tim, bukan hanya untuk PSM.
If we go lazy to the warm up, we're going to start the game lazy.
Kalau kalian malas-malasan di pemanasan, awal pertandingan nanti kalian juga akan bawa mood malas ke pertandingan.
Selamat for the best young player. We win together, we lose together. Okay? Let's go to play. Yo, yo, yo!
Baik, hadirin sekalian, mari kita sambut. Tentunya ini ada dari tim PSM Makassar. Untuk seluruh para steward untuk berada di tempatnya masing-masing, selamat bekerja. Semoga kita diberikan kesehatan. Amin. Oke, tepuk tangannya mana steward?
The day I die. Hey, swing those hips around, can't stop, roll back down. My ladies, short, tall, thin or wide, always down and ready to ride. One by one, billion by billion, get holding up half the sky. Raise your hand if you're ready and willing, if you know it's time.
12 games remaining.
12 pertandingan lagi tersisa yang sekarang.
This is our reality now. 12 games remaining.
Ini situasi yang kita hadapi sekarang.
We must be humble.
Harus humble teman-teman. Rendah
Now
hati.
see, we have 7 points more than Arema,
7 poin ini dari Arema.
and we have less 10 points than the 4th position if we dream to go up.
Dan kurang dari 10 dari posisi 4.
So if we win today, it's not going to be easy. If we win, we make 31. Means that we get 10 points advancement of Arema and we go to top 10. And we like 7 points to catch the top 4.
Kalau kita menang hari ini, yang mana ini tidak akan mudah, kalian harus kerja untuk itu. Poinnya kita 31, 10 poin dari bawah, dan 7 poin dari posisi 4.
How you feel when finish game against Sabah? How you feel? How you feel?
Bagaimana perasaan kalian waktu selesai pertandingan Sabah?
How you feel? Tell me.
Bagaimana?
Huh? Happy. How you feel the game against Bayangkara at home, the game against Persija at home with full stadium? How you feel?
Bagaimana perasaan kalian setelah Persija dan setelah Bayangkara full stadion?
How you feel? Disappointed. So guys, this is the last match. This is the last match of the year 2023. This is the last match with Catholic before Christmas. This is the last match after we're gonna have time to think about this the last match. It's totally different when we feel that we give everything and we make good results.
Pasti beda rasanya, apalagi ini pertandingan terakhir. Kalau kalian berikan segalanya di pertandingan ini, apalagi habis ini kita akan libur panjang, pasti beda rasanya.
If was game that I was very upset was against Bayangkara, because the supporters go to the stadium and put full stadium.
Pertandingan yang mana saya sedih sekali setelah pertandingan itu lawan Bayangkara, stadion full dan kita tidak dapat hasil yang kita mau.
Was the last match that we play on Parepare, and unfortunately we not win.
Pertandingan terakhir di Parepare dan sayangnya kita tidak menang di pertandingan itu.
When finish the game, we speak on the dressing room and we say, we lose points at home, we need to catch points away.
Dan selesai pertandingan, kita sudah bicarakan, setuju. Kita hilang poin di kandang artinya apa? Kita harus kejar poin di laga tandang.
Today, if we want to win, everybody must be work. Everybody who's on the bench must be our focus. Everybody, in all the moments of the match, when we lose the ball, when we have the ball, and focus when we don't have the ball.
Kalau mau hasil bagus hari ini, semuanya harus berkontribusi. Harus kerja di seluruh momen yang ada di pertandingan. Mau itu dengan bola dan juga tanpa bola. Dan juga yang ada di bench. Fokus.
You have the opportunity to do what you love.
Kalian punya kesempatan untuk kerjakan apa yang kalian cintai.
You make what you love. This is your passion. It's totally different when we go as a team together and we try to work hard together. If you have this, it's not easy for us. Hey, we have 28 points. If we win today, we make 31.
28 poin sekarang. Kalau kita menang bisa nyampe 31.
If we win today, we make study here.
Kalau kita menang hari ini kita catat lagi sejarah.
PSM Makassar never win here.
PSM tidak pernah menang di sini.
It's gonna be easy. No.
Mudah tidak? Tidak.
You want to win?
Mau menang?
You want to win? Show me that you want to win.
Pelatih, pemain serta para ofisial, sebelum kita memulai pertandingan sore ini, mari kita bersama-sama membaca doa. Semoga di pertandingan ini kita diberikan keselamatan. Dan insya Allah di akhir pertandingan kita diberikan kemenangan. Doa dimulai.
One by one, billion by billion, been holding up half the sky. Raise your hand if you're ready and willing, if you know it's time. Time for a girl on time. Time for a girl on time. Time for a girl on time.
So first thing, we must think bagus defense and Chapat offensive transition.
Kita harus pikir begini sekarang, oke? Bertahan dengan sangat bagus, dengan sangat solid, dan fokus untuk transisi menyerang.
Now, it's important.
Yang di tribun selatan, sabar dulu ya. Sesama fisik mania, tetap rukun. Hey, hey.
Kena pukul. Pastinya kita akan bisa rayakan Natal bersama dengan keluarga.
Okay, this for me is very bad to leave, but this is Indonesia. We are waiting 1 hour to the game come back. We need to catch the aeroplane, and the aeroplane not wait for us. And after, if we not catch the aeroplane, the club maybe just give the ticket after the Christmas. And I already lose the Christmas last season because club not put on time, and now pass the night of the Christmas in Kuala Lumpur airport. So this season cannot be like the same.
Ya, dan penerbangannya dia harus dapat sekarang. Oke? Karena penerbangan kita akan nunggu wasit mau main atau tidak.
Okay guys, come on, make good game. Sorry to disappoint. Make good game, huh? Come on, if you're gonna be game, make good game, huh? Come on, come on, come on. Give your best. Come on, huh? Simple. Come on guys, let's go. You're the first Guys, come on. If we come back to the game, come on.
Apa? Pasti bilang kemungkinan 6 menit dari selesai.
Malam hari ini tetap kita beri semangatnya untuk Persik Kediri. Steward bisa duduk ya. Steward jangan duduk, Steward.
Digantikan oleh pemain nomor punggung 39, John Kelly Sraya.